Now we're going to look at adding an image. To do this, first of all, we have to save the image in our Xcode project. So what we have to do is obviously select the image you want to, save it on your desktop or wherever you want to, and then you have to link it to our Xcode. So what we do is we go to Xcode, File, and we go to Add Files to, in this case, Storyboard. I've saved two images, they're both JPEGs on the desktop. You select the image you want to add. Make sure that this is highlighted, copy items if needed. This means that if you're on a different computer or you move that image, it'll store an actual copy of it. So otherwise it'll just find the reference, and if you move it, your app won't work. So make sure you've got copy items if needed selected, and then we go add. What that means is it adds it into our Xcode thing. You'll now see unknown2, which was the image, and if we click this little film here over there, that shows our media library, and I've got my image over there. Now what we want to do is put our picture in our view controller, but you can't just drag it in. What you have to do is go back to our object library, type in image, and we get an image view that we can select our view controller we want to put our image in, drag it in. We can change the size of that image view. Once we've got that image view, we go back to our media library, which is the far right button, and we can drag in our image. Now you can see that's actually stretched the image. If we go to our attributes, under mode, you've got a whole lot of different options. We probably want aspect to fit, which means that it won't stretch it, but it'll just fit it to that particular size. So when you resize it, it shouldn't go all distorted. But you can experiment with those different modes and see how that goes. Obviously, adding more images, you just keep going through and adding more files in.